Soft drink is not good for our health. Then what should we drink? Ah! I have a good idea. I'll get Grandma's tea bag. I pour it with hot water. Put some mint leaves from the backyard. Then sealed it. Wait for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you remove the tea bag. Get some honey. Use this as your sugar. Then stir it until it dissolves. Get some lemon or lemonade. After slicing you squeeze it. And pour the lemon juice. Get some ice and put it in. Now my iced tea with mint leaves is now ready. Let's drink. Now I have a delicious and healthy drinks. Cheers. I love it, the best.